In this video, I will show you how to make your YouTube subscriptions private. Many people want to keep their subscriptions hidden for privacy reasons. When you make your subscriptions private, other people cannot see the channels you are subscribed to. This way, you can enjoy watching videos without others knowing what you like. First things first, grab your smartphone and open up the YouTube mobile app. Once you're in the app, tap on the U button located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, locate and tap on View Channel. Next up, look for a small pencil icon. This represents editing options for your channel. Tap on that icon to enter your channel settings, where you can make adjustments as needed. Once inside the settings menu, you will see a section titled Privacy. In this privacy section, there will be an option labeled Keep all my subscriptions private. To ensure that no one can see which channels you are subscribed to, simply toggle on the switch next to this option. When activated, only you will have access to view your subscriptions. They will remain hidden from other users. And that's it, you've successfully made your YouTube subscriptions private. Now you can enjoy browsing and subscribing without worrying about others seeing what channels you're following. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.